So we will see today left out parts of Africa. So we have left out two different enclaves within South Africa. What are those? One is Swaziland, the other one is Lesotho. It is a enclave inside the South Africa. Swaziland, Lesotho. Okay. Then we have 6 islands is what I have said. We'll see islands today. This is Madagascar, biggest island. Second, Reunion Island. This is under the control of France, not under the control of Africa. Okay. Yeah. Then we have this Mauritius. So yeah, this is also an island. Then we have Comoros. Okay. Apart from that, even in Gulf of Guinea, we have one island, and even at here we have one more. It is Cape Verde. It is one of the archipelago, belongs to Africa. And other thing is Sao Tome. Okay, this is one more archipelago. So these are the 6. Now we'll just have a revision session for today, and then we'll focus tomorrow just to practice once again how to write it. We have to map and write because recently Sudan was on news. So if Sudan is in news, they mostly ask what are the bordering countries, right? You should be knowing. So if you are able to write exactly how it is represented, you should be able to say that it is Egypt, Libya, Chad, Central African Republics, South Sudan, and Ethiopia, Eritrea. These are the bordering countries. That's how you should be able to say. It's not only about naming, but how are you using this map is the main criteria here. So we'll just revise for today. Tomorrow we'll practice the mapping. For last for next 2 sessions we'll practice how to write, and then we'll wind up Africa map. Okay. So we'll see Morocco first. These are the Mediterranean countries, Mediterranean boundary countries. Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, and Egypt. Then we have Red Sea bordering countries, that is Egypt, Sudan, Eritrea, Djibouti, and Somalia. Next, Indian Ocean boundary, Kenya, Tanzania, Mozambique, and South Africa. And then we have Congo Basin. In that we have learned DR Congo, Angola, and Namibia. After that we have learned from year to year Gulf of Guinea. Year to year in the sense from Gabon to Senegal. Gabon, Cameroon belong to Congo Basin only. Okay, Gabon and Cameroon. From Nigeria, Benin, and Togo, these are slave coasts. Ghana, Gold Coast. Cote d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast. Liberia and Sierra Leone is Pepper Coast. Guinea and Guinea-Bissau. Then we have Senegal. Inside Senegal only we have Gambia country. Okay. Apart from that, we just started with what to say? We have started landlocked country. So landlocked country we have started with Mali, Niger, Chad, Burkina Faso, Central African Republic, South Sudan, then Uganda. Till here what we have learned? We learned these are as northern hemisphere countries. Then we have learned the southern hemisphere. What is that? Good names. That is, one is capital of Rwanda, that is Kigali, Rwanda, then Burundi. After that we have learned these 3 as one country. What is that? So that is your question. Zambia, Malawi, and Zimbabwe. Then we have learned today enclaves, that is Swaziland, Lesotho. Then we have islands, Madagascar, Mauritius, Reunion under France control. Then we have Comoros, 4 islands in Indian Ocean. Then we have under Gulf of Guinea we have Sao Tome. Then we have Cape Verde archipelago. These are the overall mapping points of Africa. Tomorrow we'll practice how to draw them and then to remember the boundaries across. Okay, that's all for today.